back down into like that little.
There's probably a little.
Yeah.
So what's going on?
Oh, this has been a thing in my hood for, I can't even tell you how long.
What is that?
I think it's a nut, but I don't remember. It's been
You're
so
a nut.
long. I'm gonna go nutty if I don't get it out.
This is when you need like Bucky Lassick around to be like, oh, do you have this random tool? And then he'd get it out really quick.
Yeah. Oh, it's up there. Now, let's see if we can go this way.
That'd be insane if that. It would have to be in here because we were shaking it and we felt it like the.
And here it's just the way.
Maybe it's tucked in.
Makes no sense.
Right now, does it make sense?
I think it's just lodged. We took it off.
Drill holes into the hood.
No.
Don't even do that.
Here, you can take it.
Yeah, don't even do that, please.
I'm in trouble.
Yeah, you are in trouble.
All right, wiggle it. I'm curious, is it gonna make the sound? It went away.
It will come unlodged.
Start driving it.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, it moved.
It's in there.
So day 2, we have magnets now. And a weird stick thing.
Well, Sam and I are pretty sure we heard it fall this morning.
What happens when the magnet gets stuck in there?
It's definite concern that I have, yes. I'm pretty sure we heard it though.
Yeah, that had to.
It had to come down
drop
here.
so far.
Which means it probably was up here and then it came down here. Which means it's down here, but it might be all the way down here now.
I hear something.
Oh, I think I got it. Because it's now like kind of sticky. Oh,
Nothing.
I swear it's down there though.
Oh, you can hear it.
I got it. It's down there. Yeah, I got it.
Hey! Success! What was it? A nut.
Been in there for at least 10 years.
Wow, that was so incredibly satisfying, honestly.
Success.
Way to go. Way to go.
It's gone all the way from the top of the hood all the way to the bottom of the hood.
When do you think you dropped that in there?
I couldn't even tell you it's been so long. My guess is at least 10 years. Maybe even from the time that I painted it, for that matter. Could be from as old as this car is for me, basically.
We had success, Josh. We did it.
Wow. Hey, this tool worked out great.
I know, seriously. Hit yourself in the eyeball.
I need that.
See, I really want to be a real jerk and just immediately like put it right back in. Just think.
Wow.
It could be like Plinko.
Installing a battery mount.
Nice.
So.
We got the cool LASIK edition.
Yep.
LASIK.
Classic, basic, radiator, I don't know. Anti-gravity battery, our relocation kit, and then we did a custom mount. So I'm kind of figuring it out.
I like it. Why'd you cut all those off?
Oh, Well, I need to make it sit as flush as I can.
Oh, that makes sense.
So I need to clean them up.
The fire looked cool.
So we'll talk a little bit about the battery relocation kit that will be coming out in a wiring form pretty soon. First off, we have a awesome Melee mount, thanks guys, with the LASIK logo. You can buy that directly from them. What you'll see below it that's actually holding the mount to the car is a prototype version of a bracket that requires no cutting or drilling or anything. We're kind of gauging interest on this part, so once we release the harness and the main kit for the battery relocate, we'll kind of get a sense of what cars people want them for, and we can decide whether this is something we'll make, because you can alternatively mount this directly to the chassis yourself. It's not that big of a deal. So the kit will include all of the wiring from the trunk to the front, everything that you need to make this work. There's also a circuit breaker on the back side, can't really see that, but that's there for fuse protection for the battery, but also a quick disconnect. If the car is going to sit for a while, you can just hit the circuit breaker, cuts all power to the car. We'll go check out the front for the mount for everything. So you'll see this car doesn't have a fuse box, but this mount would work in cars with a fuse box as well. So included in the kit is this mount that holds all of the main power cables together. So it goes to the starter, the battery, and the chassis for the fuse box. This will be included in the kit.
So what's the point of this? Like, why put it in the back?
Well, in my car, I don't actually have a battery tray in my engine bay because I took it out and painted it. Because I'm tucked, bro.
So just for looks?
Yeah, so in my car, it's just because. But if you had a newer car and you're running front mount piping, you may actually have to put your battery in the back to make room for the front mount piping.
Oh, okay.
So this kit might be for you.